Hey guys, it's me. We have a few packages for the Smart Dolls, so I decided to go ahead and open those up with you guys. I'm anxious to see what's in here. I mean, I know what's in here, but I'm still anxious. So, let's go with this one first. I think these are the clothes that I ordered for them. Let's see how we can open this. We have this school uniform that I ordered. I hope it fits. I think the shoes, I don't know. They might be too big, but they're still cute. A little bow in the back. Let's see, we have the skirt. What is this? Guess this is a shirt. Could be a dress, I guess. Got this. Let's see what else. White shirt. Ooh, and it's an original shirt for the Smart Dolls. Has a tag and everything. And you got these pants, I guess in case I get a boy. And I guess the girl could wear it if this was her style, but I like the pockets on it, so that's that package. Where the scissors? Let's open this one. So it's been 2 weeks since I discovered the Smart Dolls, and I've been having a lot of fun with Tia and Mirai. So I'm definitely enjoying the collecting part of Smart Dolls. I've met some really interesting people in the Facebook groups. So it's a very nice community, great dolls, and I'm happy. So these are coffee mugs that someone had available in one of these Smart Doll groups. So it's a nice little mug with Snow White on it. And here's the second one with Snow White and some of the woodland creatures, I guess you can say. So we got these two. We got all of those clothes. I'm still waiting for about 4 or 5 more packages for them, different clothes and furniture and stuff. So when everything gets here, I'll go ahead and do unboxings for all of those and put it all together, and you guys get to see everything. So stay tuned. I'll have more to film. You guys have a good day. Bye. Hey guys, part 2 of the goodies for the Smart Dolls. These 2 boxes came today, so let's go ahead and get them open. Sorry about that. Box open first. So this is a piece of furniture for the Smart Dolls. I decided to get them something new. I just hope that it fits and I like it. Hello, Cece. Yes, it's a box, but it's not for you. A lot of tape on this box. Nosy kitty. You can have it when I'm done, Cece. Okay. So, here it is. Cece, can I get it out first? So this is my second time ordering from this Etsy shop. And I love everything she has. I'll have her information in the description. But this is what I got for the girls. A nice pink couch to go with their pink background. So we've got lots of pillows here. So let's see how it looks up here. There's Mirai. Let's see if I can do this. There. So there's the couch. I'm gonna get the pillows straightened and see how the girls look on it. So we'll be back, you guys. So here are the girls in their new couch. I like it a little bit better than the American Girl couch. So there is their living room. They got a bunch of toys and they went shopping. So that's the living room so far. After straightening it up some more. So let's get this smaller box opened. Sorry. So I ordered this from eBay. It's a Smart Dolls face mask. So that's it. I think I have, I don't know, maybe 4 more boxes coming this week. So more goodies, you guys. Hey guys, here's some more goodies that we received for the Smart Dolls. So let's go ahead and get these packages opened. I'm still waiting for a bunch of packages that are in transit. So I'm not sure when they'll get here. But let's see if we can get this right. Maybe. Okay. Let's start with this one. I'm not sure what this is. I ordered lots of little things for them. Okay. Okay. Still don't know what I ordered. But that's cute. Ordered this from Etsy. Let's see what it is. That's in there. I remember this. This was the name necklace that I got for Tia. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. So there. So I saw this on Etsy and I decided to order it for Tia. This was like a couple of days before I saw Mirai. So I'm gonna go ahead and order her one with her name. So this is gonna go on Tia. And I'll link all of the stores and everything in the description like usual. Let's get this purple one open. Let's see how it fits. Okay, I think this was Etsy too, but let's see. Could have been Mercari also. Nope, this was Etsy. There you go, Cece. Yeah, I ordered this bag for them. So it looks just like a normal bag that they're shipped in. Let's see. Smart doll on it. Okay, so we have these two things from Etsy, and this, as you can tell from the packaging, is Amazon. Let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, I remember this order. I decided to order this for them. I think it's going to be the right size for them, but I gotta open it up. And then I ordered this black wig and this blonde wig. So I'm gonna put them on and see how they look on the girls. And we're gonna open this camera up and put Tia's necklace on. So, be back. I decided to play around with the girls and see what they look like on the different couches. But after seeing that the turquoise couch pulls out, I like this one better. So here's Mirai with the blonde wig on. I really think she looks cute with this wig. So that's the living room with the American Girl pull-out bed sofa thing. And here's Miss Tia with the black wig. There's her name necklace. I really love this wig on her. I love black wigs or dark wigs. Those are my favorite, and redheads, of course. There's an outfit that I made for her. She just got these shoes today from Mercari. And here's the wig information. This is for the blonde wig, but I'll link the information in the description. And this is for the jet black wig. So there's the bedroom, little closet area. I just put this rack up. I'm not sure what's going to be over here, but that's going to be for the smart dolls also. But there they are. I'm loving them. The community is great. And of course, I'm enjoying shopping for them. So, a few more unboxings, hopefully later on next week, and I'll put it all together for one mashup video. So you guys have a good weekend, and I'll see you again in a couple of days.